In today's video, we will host a local NFT minting website. Through the website, we will connect our Phantom wallet and purchase our own NFTs. Open up your Windows search bar and look for Turn Windows Features on or off. Open it up and make sure to enable Windows Subsystem for Linux and Virtual Machine Platform. Windows is going to request for a restart in order for changes to be applied. Make sure you restart your computer. Go back to Windows features and make sure that both features are enabled. Open up the Microsoft Store and search for Ubuntu. Download the latest or the second to latest version of Ubuntu. Open Ubuntu and run the install process. Type in your username and create a password. Run the command sudo apt update and type in your password. Run the command sudo apt upgrade. Click Y to continue when you receive the prompt "Do you wish to continue?" Run this command from the Solana website in order to install the Solana tool suite. Once finished installing, close the terminal and open up a new one. Now, let's run Solana version in order to make sure we have Solana installed. Now it's time to install Sugar the Candy Machine CLI. First, you're going to have to copy this command and paste it into your terminal in order to install some dependencies, because we are running Windows Subsystem for Linux. Copy and paste this bash curl command into your terminal in order to install Sugar from Metaplex. Close your current terminal and open up a new one for changes to be applied. Run the command sugar -- version in order to make sure we have Sugar properly installed. Now we will set up a Solana wallet. Copy and paste the Solana keygen command into your terminal in order to create a new dev wallet. Enter a passphrase if you would like to. Copy and paste the key pair address, pub key, and private key into a notepad for later use. Next, you're going to select an RPC. The RPC that I selected is no longer free, so you're going to have to use another one. Copy and paste the RPC address into your notepad. Now copy and paste this command into your notepad. Where it says RPC URL, you're going to replace that with the URL of your selected RPC. Now replace path to key pair file with the actual path to your key pair file on your computer. Now copy and paste the entire command onto your terminal. Now you're going to create a folder and name it however you'd like. Inside that folder, you will have another folder named Assets, all in lowercase. In your Assets folder, you will store your images for your project and name them 0 through whatever number of images that you have in your folder. For example, I have 3 images, so I start at the number 0 and count all the way up to 2. The collection file is an optional file. The collection file will consist of an image that will be shown as the cover for your collection of NFTs. Now we're going to download VS Code onto our computer. Run the VS Code setup and go through the setup. Once it's finished installing, launch VS Code. Once we are in VS Code, we are going to create a new text file. Now we're going to borrow this sample metadata, copy and paste it into our new text file. Now we're going to edit the metadata. In the name, change this to whatever the name of your NFT is going to be. Mine is AH number 1. The symbol of my NFT collection is going to be AH. Edit the description of your NFT. Mine is going to be the beginning. The image line will contain the name of the PNG. Trait type is an optional value that you can edit. My trait type will be number, and the value will be 1. URI is the name of the file. Type is the kind of file that I use. I used PNG, so image/PNG. Now we're going to save the file into our assets folder for our project. Make sure the name of this JSON file is the same as the PNG file that you're referring to. Mine is 0, so the file name would be 0. Copy and paste this JSON file 3 times for the 3 other PNG files in this assets folder. Each PNG file will have its own unique JSON file, so make sure to edit the JSON files accordingly. Make sure the name of the JSON files are the same as the PNG files that you're referring to. For the collection file, we're going to copy and paste the sample collection file. Edit the file accordingly. Save the file under the name collection. Double check to make sure that every file has the correct name. We have 4 PNG files and 4 JSON files. Now our collection file is complete. Run the command Solana airdrop2 to fund your DevNet wallet with 2 Solana. If you get an error as I did, do not worry, there is another method to fund your DevNet wallet. Run the command Solana address to get your address. Copy and paste this address into solfaucet.com. Here, you can customize the amount of Solana that you receive, so I will airdrop myself 2 Sol. Now, I'm going to run the command Solana balance to check my wallet's balance. Here, I see that the Solana airdrop was successful. Now I'm going to airdrop myself a couple more Sol. Now I'm going to check my balance again. Now we're going to create a config file. Change directory to inside your project folder. Mine is cdmntcxa. Once we're inside the folder, run the sugarcreek config command. Name the price of the NFT. It's going to be in Sol, so mine is going to be 0.01. I have 3 assets in the candy machine. The symbol is AH. 100 basis points equals 1%. So my seller fee is going to be 100%. The 100% seller fee basis may be impractical, but we're just doing it for this example. Now you're going to set the go live date. Mine is going to be now, so it'll go up immediately. Establish the amount of creator wallets and enter the creator wallet addresses. I only have 1 creator wallet. Royalty percentage share 100% because I'm the only creator. All of it goes to me. If you would like any extra features, select here. We're not going to add any extra features. Update your Sol treasury address to the same address that you use for your creator wallet. Select your upload method. I'll be using bundler. If you would like to retain update authority to your NFTs, click Y. And if you would like for your NFT to remain immutable, press Y. Now we're going to run the command sugar upload. Copy and paste the command into your terminal. Here I ran into an error because I did not establish AH as a symbol for all my JSON files. So now what I'll be going to do is fixing that problem by switching the symbol from NB to AH. Now I'm going to change directory into my project folder. cd/mnt/c/xa. Now we're going to run the command sugar upload. And we can see that the upload was successful. 4 out of 4 assets pair have been uploaded. Now that we uploaded our NFTs, we're going to run sugar deploy to create the candy machine. Candy machine has been created, and now we're going to run sugar verify. Here we can see that everything's good to go. We're going to copy and paste this URL into our browser. And here we see our NFTs and all the information associated with them. Here we have the price of the NFT, the number of NFTs available, the royalties, the creator wallet. Here we have attributes. My attributes was number, and here each one has its own unique attribute. Here we see the metadata for the NFTs. And here if we copy and paste the URL, it'll take us to a URL of our NFT. Copy and paste this command into your terminal. Now to create our own website, we're going to download this package from Windows. Open and run the update.exe. Now we're going to copy and paste this command into our PowerShell. Now we're going to install curl, so run this command sudo apt-get install curl into your Linux terminal, enter your password, and wait for it to install. Once that is finished installing, run this curl command. Copy and paste it into your terminal, and wait for it to finish. Once that is finished, copy and paste this command into your terminal. If you don't get a return of NVM, close your terminal and open up a new one. Here we go. We have the command being responsive. Now we're going to copy and paste this command into our terminal to make sure we don't have any prior version of Node installed. Now we have verified that we don't have any previous version of Node installed, so we can run a clean install of Node by running this command. Copy and paste it into your terminal. Once that process is finished, we're going to copy and paste this Node version into our terminal to make sure we have the latest version of Node installed. Now we're going to open the Candy Machine UI folder. Once we're in the folder, we're going to open this env.example file with VS Code. We're going to make some changes to the file. The first change is that we're going to update the Candy Machine ID. So we're going to change directories into our project folder. Once we're in the project folder, we're going to run the command sugar show. Once we run this command at the top, it's going to show our Candy Machine ID. Copy and paste that into the env file. Since we are on DevNet, we do not have to change that. However, we do have to change our RPC host. So copy and paste your RPC host URL into the env file. We're going to skip pre-light check. So now what we're going to do is save the file. And after we made our changes, we are going to rename the file. Take out the .example, so it'll be named .env. Now we're going to use curl to install yarn, so copy and paste this command into your terminal, wait for it to finish, close the terminal and open up a new one. In this new terminal, you're going to run this command to make sure we have yarn installed. After successfully installing yarn, we are going to change directories into our Candy Machine UI folder. Inside our Candy Machine UI folder, we're going to run the command yarn install and yarn start. If you get a security pop-up on your computer, just allow access. And here we have our local NFT minting website. We're going to connect our Phantom wallet to the website, so make sure you have the Phantom extension installed. Open up the Phantom wallet and create a new wallet. Make sure to save your recovery phrase. Now we're going to make sure we're on the DevNet. Go to this top left corner, scroll down to developer settings, change network, make sure that this is on DevNet. Now we're going to connect the wallet, Phantom, connect, and now our Phantom wallet is connected to the website. We can see that there are 3 NFTs, each for the price 0.01 Sol, and right now we have 0 Sol in our wallet, so we're going to top that up. Click this top left icon, click on the wallet one, click on the 3 dots, and click on wallet address. Go to Sol Faucet and paste your wallet address. I'm going to send 2 Sol to the DevNet. Now when I check my Phantom wallet, I have 2 Sol, so now we're good to mint an NFT. Approve transaction. Boom. Congratulations, mint succeeded. Go to your collection. Might take a while to load. Here we have transaction details of the NFT mint. And here is our NFT, number 2. And just like that, we minted our own NFT on our own website. Thank you all for watching. I really hope this was helpful. If you have any comments, questions, and concerns, please let me know in the comments below. And other than that, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. Thank you.